Good day everyone, my name is Franz Erlator Mucha, IT11B. I will be explaining the only Java function. Number one is return in integer in a string, just display a number. Number two, same ra siya sa kanang function 1 pero lahi siya ganang kwan. Numbers. Number 3, adds plus 1 plus 2 show basic addition. Number 4, i-multiply nimo ang kanang 3 times 4 niya shows up mo. Multiplies 3 times 4 show multiplication. Number 4, number 5 show factorial math, demonstrate repeat multiplication. Number 6, check i-check if number is nang even siya modulus like operator. Number 7 kay mag-use kag GCD helper me to demonstrate calling another function. Number 8 kay use kag LCM with GCD math relationship between numbers. Number 9, use math abs converts to absolute value. Number 10 kay mag-convert ka sa number to binary changing number system. Number 11 kay combines to string, i-combine mo ang duha kay string nya. Number 12 kay mag-count ka sa number counts characters. Number 13 kay cuts out part of string. Number 14 kay handle single characters. And number 15 kay convert to uppercase. And number 16 kay i-replace nimo ang characters into text. Number 17 kay i-check nimo ang text if start siya sa word. Number 13 kay i-check sa nimo number 18 kay i-check nimo ang text if ends with a word. Number 19 kay i-check sa nimo if the text is contain a word. Number 20 kay is i-repeat a string several times. Number 21 is adds nimo ang all numbers in the array. And number 2 is gets a specific elements from an array. And number 23, i-access nimo ang name from a name list. And number 24, i-find nimo ang the largest na number. And so number 25 is imong i-reverse ang string. And number 26, sorts an array. Number 27, i-join nimo ang array sa element into a one string. Number 28, i-check nimo ang array na check if array contains a value. Number 29 is i-multiply mo ang each number into array. Number 30, show Fibonacci calculation. Number 31 kay convert a regular number into a binary zeros and one, which is how computer store. Mao ni ang language sa computer. Puro 0 o 1 maong i-convert na to ang number. 32. Converts a number to base 16. Common kayo ninyo sa programming like sa color sa apps o websites. Number 33 kay shows precise multiplication using decimal number. Gamay ra sayop sa decimal, dako na kayo kausaban. So need i-accurate double values. Number 34, round decimal numbers. Round to the nearest whole number. Para limpyo tanawon ang number, wala na sobrang decimal. Example kay 5.6 to mahimos i-round off nimo to 6. Kati ka hambal ni. Number 35 kay always goes up to the next whole number. Bisan 6.1 pa imon jud na niya o imon gyud na natong 7. Useful kung dili pwede i-fractional. Number 36 drops decimal part and goes down to the lower whole number. Bisan 9.9 pa mahimong 9 jud. Good kung dapat di malapas sa limit. Number 37 makes a number that is unpredictable, used in games, security, simulation. Muna gamit sa mga spinning wheels, lot boxes o dice nga games. Number 38 okay. Convert angle for trigonometry function. Kini gamit kayo sa animation o movement sa games. Number 39 convert angle back to degrees, which are easier for humans to read. Kaya ang region lisod sabton, so balik nato sa degrees para klaro. Number 40 solves a quadratic formula and returns both solution. Para sa physics o engineering, kanang parabola o projectile motion. Number 41 is prime test checks if number has only two factors. And number 42 prime false shows example of non-prime. Number 43 positive or negative, dapat i-check nimo ang uses conditional branching. Number 44 clamp value limits number to save range. And number 45 even number detection conditional result as string. And number 46 compare nimo ang duha ka number shows to operation. And number 47 Max Finder uses math.max. Number 48 Mean Finder uses math.mean. And number 49 range testing, i-check nimo if within bounds. And number 50 leap year calendar logic divisible by 4 and etc. Number 51 add values to list and count nimo ang items. And number 52 store and get values using map Okay, value pair. And number 53, unique values using set wala duplicates. And 54, i-remove mo mga specific item from list. And number 55, i-delete mo ang entry from map and show remaining. And number 56, i-check nimo if set contains a value. And number 57, look through list using for each. And number 58, kay i-display nimo ang all case and values from the map. And number 59, i-convert nimo ang set to list. And number 60, sort a list alphabetically or numerically. And number 61 is convert set elements to a string output. And number 62, i-copy nimo ang array using a built-in function. And number 63, filter even numbers only. And 64, i-remove nimo ang duplicate values from array or list. Number 65, count how many times a number appears. And number 66, random shuffle sa items or randomize nimo ang order. Number 67, sort from biggest to smallest. Number 68, i-compute ni mga value sa array or list. And number 69, i-get ni mo ang min and max using stem or loop. And number 70, i-convert ni mo ang list back to array. And number 71 is linear search. I-find mo ang value step by step. And number 72, i-check mo ang word if same forward or backward. And number 73, i-count mo ang vowels to a, e, o, o. And number 74, i-replace mo ang space with something else. And number 75, i-check mo ang string nya may start ka sa ignoring uppercase and lowercase. And number 76, reverse mo ang array sa position. And reverse an array position, yeah. I-count mo pila ka words sa sentence. Yeah, find first number inside string. Yeah, number 79, sub-string. Avoid error in short ang word. Number 80, kay remove duplicate character sa string. 81, power function, multiply numbers by itself repeatedly. Add all digit of a numbers. Check if a number palindrome same digit. Temperature, conversation, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Get unique letters on from string. Count negative numbers inside array. Square all numbers in times in. Check if sorted already ang array. Shuffle characters randomly. Factorial using recursion. Multiply to 1. Sort words and convert to uppercase. Multiply each number into square version. Show usage of optional safe value handling. Clump double value into safe range. Factorial against but show big number concept. Validate text pattern using. Bye bye.